everybody and welcome to LK Lifestyles. This is Laura. Today we're going to be making a paleo version of turkey tetrazzini. We're going to be making it grain-free, dairy-free, gluten-free with ingredients that I find in my paleo kitchen every day. We're going to make a cream sauce using coconut milk, and we're going to throw about 2.5 cups of leftover turkey in with some vegetables, and we're going to use some zucchini and zoodle it. Speaking of the zucchini, I used 3 small zucchini, and this is a very simple spiralizer. Some of them are a lot more complicated than this. I find that the simpler the better. With a quick snap of my fingers, I have a nice pile of zoodles here. It took me about 5 minutes, but that's not too bad. And I'm going to use these extra pieces in the sauce as well. As soon as I cut up my other vegetables, I've got mushrooms, onions, and a little garlic, and snap. Now we have some thyme and some garlic here, and we're almost ready to make our cream sauce. But first things first, we have to cut our turkey up. We have a little bit of white meat, a little bit of dark meat, and we're going to turn that into chopped turkey. It looks like it's about 3 cups, but it's actually more like 2.5 cups if I packed it down really tight. We're going to go over to our saucepan and melt 2 tablespoons of ghee, and we're going to throw in our vegetables that we cut up. Just toss them right in the pan, and we're going to stir them around for about 5 to 10 minutes because we really want those vegetables to cook down for a while. They will start to release a little bit of juice and get really soft, and once they do, as you can see, they're breaking down after just a couple minutes. Once they do break down, we're going to add in our remaining vegetables. This is our peas and carrots that I set aside. They are frozen, but they will thaw out very quickly. And we're going to add in our chopped turkey. And once we do that, we're going to give it a little stir, and we're going to start to warm that up for a bit before we add our can of coconut milk, which I shook very well. We're going to add our thyme. We're going to add some salt. Pinch of black pepper. I use my automatic pepper grinder because I love it. And we're going to add a little bit of that tapioca starch slurry that I made previously with just a little bit of water and tapioca starch. We're going to bring this up to a very light simmer, and then it will start to thicken. And once it gets thick and lovely like this, and it smells terrific, we're going to take it right over to our little casserole pan where we have our zoodles waiting. We're going to pour the sauce over top of it. And you can give it a little bit of a stir just to mix the zoodles in with the sauce. But now we're going to make our crumb topping with a cup of almond flour. And I did put a little thyme in that just to give it a little bit of flavor. We're going to put about a tablespoon or so of ghee in the little mini food chopper and give it a couple of pulses just to make a little bit of a crumb topping. And we're going to bring that over and top our dish with that just to give it a little bit of extra fun. In our paleo life, we don't always have a lot of breading kind of toppings, so this is nice. And I just laid it on top, and I'm going to give it a little bit of a even topping. Once it's evenly topped, we're going to cover it up with some foil and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And once it's been in the oven for about 20 minutes, we're going to take it out, take the cover off of it, and let it cook for about another 15-20 minutes until the top starts to turn a little bit brown, just like that. And there is our turkey tetrazzini, paleo style, grain-free, gluten-free, and delicious, and a fabulous way to use your leftover turkey after Thanksgiving. If you like this video and you'd like to see more paleo, grain-free, and gluten-free videos, please subscribe to LK Lifestyles. If you're watching this video during the holidays, I hope you have a very safe and happy holiday at your house. And feel free to leave comments down below. Have a great day.